You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Samsung Galaxy, or should I even say the new and improved and improvised Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And there it is. Obviously I did an unboxing. If you guys want to check that video out, just click up there and and check that video out. It's a good video. I was very hyped. It was just an absolutely amazing video that I did unboxing the Samsung Galaxy the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Was an absolutely awesome video. But yeah, today I'm going to be giving you guys my top tier reasons why I love this device, just to appreciate the design of this device, how it closes and opens, and then that nice little sound it makes when you actually shut the device. So absolutely beautiful. But yeah, anyway, my first feature that I love about this device is the camera module. I'm a geek and a freak when it comes to cameras. I love cameras because you guys know I make these YouTube videos. I use a camera to make it. I use the Sony A7C to actually make my videos. But yeah, camera is a big thing for me because I'm always on social media. I like taking pictures of my car, myself, anything really, just to post on my social media accounts. And with that, to be able to do that, I need a good camera. And boy, oh boy, this is an absolutely beautiful camera, very impressive. But there is one little knick-knack I'm gonna complain about this phone and the camera. The camera is good, but when you take a picture, right, I can't really show you guys it, but when you take a picture, well, no, when you take a picture, when you got the camera, the phone open and in the camera settings, and you actually want to snap a picture of something, yeah, the screen doesn't actually bring out the quality that you're gonna get when you go back to view the picture. This is one thing that I haven't heard from a lot of tech reviewers when they talk about the camera on this device. When you actually got the camera app open and you're kind of looking at something to take a picture of something, it doesn't give you like a real kind of look of what the picture is going to look like, mainly because I think because of the screen, and because it's not really one of the screens you're going to get on the latest Samsung Galaxy S21, for example. It's not glass, it's made out of a different type of material, which enables it to be able to close and open, which is very crucial because the phone does open and close. So yeah, you're not really getting the crispness, the sharpness that you're gonna get when you view the picture. But when you take a picture with this device and then you go back to have a look at it, it's absolutely sharp. It's beautiful, it's colorful, it's beautiful. But the only one downside is when you take a picture, especially if you just got this device, you probably think to yourself, why does the camera look so bad on the screen when you're about to take it? But don't worry about that, because when you take the photo and you go to look at it on the phone, it's absolutely beautiful. It's lovely. I had to learn that the hard way. I brought the camera up. I'm like, why is the camera like this? But yeah, that's the first feature, the camera. Absolutely stunning camera. The wide angle is absolutely insane. It's way wider, a lot more wider than my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And I'm gonna give you guys a little example because I feel like you guys need to know. Let me get my S21 Ultra here and just show you guys the difference. Right, so we're literally on normal, and then we go wide angle. Oh no, yeah, wide angle, and wow, it's a beast. It's a beast. Right, let me just turn this one down a little bit and go to wide angle. Judging by how wide it is it's amazing. It's literally amazing. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys could be able to, yeah, look at that. I'm not sure. Well, I do know the Z Fold 3 is a lot more wider than the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, or it's just me, or it's because of the screen on the Z Fold 3 is a lot bigger than, more real screen real estate. But I'm not sure. But to me, it looks like the Z Fold 3 wide angle is so much more wider than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is just absolutely awesome. So if you want to take pictures of you and your friends, you can do that so easily and get everything and everyone in frame, which is absolutely awesome. And then moving on to the second thing I like about this device is the fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is absolutely awesome. It's fast, it's beautiful, and yeah, it's just absolutely awesome. And I like the fact that it's right on the side of the phone. If you guys can see that, it's right on the side of the phone. So literally when you go to unlock it or press it, literally you just unlock your phone straight up and boom, you're ready to unlock it and do whatever you want to do on the device. But there's a little design error that I feel like Samsung has in the phone. I mean, it's to do with safety or whatever like that. But when you open the device up, the phone wakes up basically. So when you open it up, the phone wakes up. So you can easily just put your fingerprint, your passcode or your unlock pattern or whatever straight in. Because when you have it open like this, you can't really, get to that fingerprint to unlock the device, because it might slip out your finger or whatever, unless you're kind of using the phone like this, so you can just literally just press it and boom, unlock it. But who's going to be using the phone, the S, and there's Fold 3 like this, unless you just want to look at the time or whatever. So just open it, obviously the screen wakes up, and then you can put in your passcode or whatever. But yeah, that's a really nice feature from Samsung. I like where they've put that in, and the fact that that button is for unlocking and locking the device up as well, which is absolutely awesome. And then we move on to the screen in the front of the device when it's closed. It's awesome. Samsung has really put it out the park. How they've been able to put a front-facing camera inside the glass of the front screen, that I do not know. It's just absolutely stunning. And what I love about this, about the front screen as well, is this. I'll show you. Let me put it on change it from dark mode to light mode. Basically, look at that. Literally, Samsung has actually taken the whole real estate of the glass in the front, the screen in the front, to be able to make it into a screen, which is just absolutely amazing and fantastic. The fact that they're able to fit this amount of screen on the front of the device is just absolutely amazing. And also the bezels as well is near enough. I mean, it's not bezel-less, but it just, the illusion just makes it look like it's bezel-less because of how much screen they've been able to pack in to the front of the device. Is just absolutely incredible and absolutely amazing. And then moving on to the actual inside of the device, it's just, one thing I love is just the way it is. Like yesterday I was in bed and I was playing around with the phone, and just the fact that when I opened it up, I was able to use it with ease. Like obviously it looks like a tablet, and obviously I've used tablets in bed when I'm doing research or for another video or anything like that. I just feel like it's too big, but this just fits the bill. It fits it really nicely, and it's so much easier to work with this device, especially when you open it, so you get that full screen real estate in there. Obviously when you open up the device, it's just absolutely awesome. I'm just there in bed, just two hands, bada boom. And even if I want to go one hand, I can literally just hold it with one hand, just like that, and do what I need to do. It's just fantastic, absolutely fabulous. I love it so much. And then the design of the phone as well is just absolutely beautiful. I just love how Samsung is actually taking their time to design the Z Fold 3, so it doesn't look anything like the Z Fold 2 or the first generation of the Z Fold family. It looks so much more different from those series, and yeah, it's just absolutely wonderful. The design, the element is just absolutely awesome. It's just a slick phone. It's like a phone from the future. But yeah, and one more thing I love is the speaker blast. The speaker unit on the device. They're loud, really loud, absolutely awesome. You find out at the top there. So one at the top and also one at the bottom as well. So when you're watching a video or whatever in landscape, literally you hold it like this, the audio is coming out from both sides, which is just awesome. So it's just a nice pleasing and nice, you know, place to be when you're watching any videos or any film on this. And again, the screen is so good for watching like videos, like YouTube videos, even a film. It just fits it so well. And obviously on a phone that is literally this big, it's so much better than watching on a laptop, or even a tablet, or even on your TV, because there's just so much more screen real estate that you don't really need a TV, because watching a video on this versus watching a video on this, it's a big difference. So yeah, anyway, that's everything that I got for you guys that I love about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Flip. It's an absolutely brilliant phone. The design is just absolutely awesome. So big shout out to Samsung. They're impressing me, because in my unboxing video, I did say, I hope this phone impresses me. And so far, it's kind of really impressing me, and I'm very, very happy. Like I said, big shout out to Samsung as well. Yeah, awesome. I can't wait to do a review, use it more, and you know, just learn more about the Z Fold 3 as in a whole. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also share the video, subscribe as well, and turn on your post notifications on it as well if you want to see more tech videos and car videos. I mean, I don't think anyone else on YouTube does anything to do with tech and cars in one place. So yeah, anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, like I said, smash that like button, comment down below, tell me what you think about the Z Fold 3 as well. Tell me if you like it, tell me if you like the concept, and yeah, also tell me if you don't like it as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.